Hello, everyone, and welcome to our very first lecture series on managerial accounting. And as you know me, my name is Jamal Haider, and only two students who are new to me, who don't know my background information, is that I am a PhD scholar of finance in Donghua University. I hope this semester I become doctor. Please wish me best of luck. Okay. And then I already did CFA, which is Chartered Financial Analyst from USA, and I also have finance degree, major of finance in MBA as well. This is my sixth year with CIP, and second time I'm teaching this managerial accounting in online session. That's a very short introduction of mine. Most of you already know me. We also have live sessions and also have online session as well. So pretty much we already have our class introduction. So I welcome you all here in this exciting online experience of managerial accounting. So regarding this exam policy or course policy, so I have designed this course as 10% attendance. Here we go. And then assignments, which are 30%. And it includes quizzes, question and answer sessions, and your behavior in the class. So major portion would be from assignments, around 25%. I still did not decide that percentage, but major portion would be coming from the assignments, the 5% from quizzes and all the stuff. So if you attend your classes, I would be giving you 10% marks. That's it. But I need to clarify what attendance means. If you apply for leave, you won't be given the attendance marks because I need to be very just and fair to every student, right? So those who are attending the class and those who already applied for leave and they are not attending the class, that they cannot be the same. But what I can compensate those who applied for leave for 70% rule. If your attendance is less than 70%, in no way you are allowed to sit in final exam until you have permission from the office. For example, you apply for leave, okay, and applying for leave is for 70% rule, you apply leave to the office. You can inform me, but approved by the office, okay? For example, you applied for, the maximum you can skip classes 4 to 5 without permission. If you, with permission, you just leave 7 or maybe 8 classes. With leave, then I give you 5 marks because 50% you missed the classes. Total classes are 16, right? So you are safe. Why? Because your attendance is less than 70%, but you have permission to leave the class. If you don't have the permission, then in no way you can sit in final exam. This is the rule set by CIP, not me. Okay, so please don't argue on this rule with me. And also I need to be very fair for this attendance marks because these are just free marks I will give you for just attending the class. Okay, any question regarding this attendance issue? Okay, if no, let's talk about the assignments. So I will be giving assignments for every chapter. When we, complete a chapter, I will give you the assignment. That's it, right? And if you submit your assignments on time, I will give you the marks. And regarding your format of submitting the assignments, so you would Word document. Must be handwritten. You take a picture, save it into a Word file, and then send it to me. How you can send the assignments? You can send me through WeChat. You add me on a personal WeChat and then send it. Don't send your assignments into the group. It will encourage the copy and copy paste stuff. So I don't want that you send your assignments to the group. Send me either a private message in WeChat or just email me. And my email is in the course content or the syllabus. I will show you here. So if you pay close attention, 40% marks are in your hands. 10% attendance, assignment, 30%, and passing rate is 60. So you just need to work hard for 20%. And I'm sure that you can get from this 60%, 20%. Passing for you is not a problem, right? But what I expect from you, you understand the logic and concepts. That's it, right? If you are with me throughout this course, attending the classes, I can guarantee that you can perform very well in the class. Okay? And if you have any question, I encourage you at any point, you can interrupt the lecture. You can say, sir, I have a question. Excuse me, sir, I have a question. I won't mind. So I would encourage all of you guys to ask as much questions as you can. And question is question. There is no category of stupid question, bad question, right? Question is question, right? And regarding our behavior in class, is the same as from the last semester. I would consider misbehavior if you interrupt the class, right? As I told my earlier lecture that if you have a pet and he don't like my voice, you have a right to mute your microphone. That's it, right? Don't interrupt the class for music or something like that. Plus using cell phone. You are turning on your video, you are having my lecture, and you're using a phone as well, right? Emergencies can happen, important call can be, you can pick the call, but the ethics is that you turn off the video, mute the microphone, and then attend the phone. I would be recording this lecture, and it would be very odd and disrespectful that you are recording your video as well and you are using your cell phone, right? And if you are doing in real professional settings, believe me, you would be kicked off from the job. 80% chances that you would be kicked off from the job. Okay, so these are just the ethics. So I would be just telling you because these are just normal things, but we are in diverse culture, right? Some cultures are very open, some cultures are a little bit traditional. So my job here is to maintain the equity and the balance and fairness. I hope you do respect all those stuff. Plus, disrespecting either teacher or fellow students. Like I told you, we have to manage diversity here. If somebody cannot speak good English with good accent, so don't worry about that, right? Because it's not his mother tongue. Plus, a question is question. There is no bad question, stupid question. Okay, don't disrespect your fellow student as well. Okay, and also use the foul language. Don't use the word F. I know you are in teenage, you love to use that word, but please avoid that. Okay? We are in official setting and I want you to behave professionally. Okay, any question regarding our exam policy and this course? Okay, let's move forward. So we have a course content. Here we go. So you can I also already uploaded this course content on BB. I will also upload it on our WeChat group as well. So regarding, here we go, this are the course content. So we are going to have our first midterm in our 6th class. And this course is basically, the start of this course is a little bit dry because we have to do more introduction stuff, finding out different classifications and all those stuff. But as we move along, this would be very easy, and it would be very easy. You would find it very easy, and basically this is like a simple basic mathematics, and that's it. We will be using a little bit formulas, and that's it. So my job is to make you understand the concepts. I don't want you to, to memorize all those stuff, all those, the formulas, because formulas are logical. Okay. So ask as much question as you can.
Sir,
That is,
did you change the PPT or what? I can see only course content. I don't see anything else.
okay. Let me just. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Now I can see it.
Okay. So you can see that here we would be having a lot of assignments. Every chapter, at the end of the chapter, I would be giving you the assignment. It's individual assignments, right? And we will be having our midterm roughly from 5th to 6th week of this course. Okay. Plus, we would be using a lot of in-class activities as well. I would be using breakout rooms. So those who already studied with me the accounting before and international finance before, so they know what I mean. So we would be using book examples, book exercise questions, and I would be, doing in group structure using breakout rooms, and I hope you loved it. So I would be, encourage, because this is more practical based subject. If you don't do through your own hands, the chances are that you don't, all the lecture that I give you, it will be wiped off after 1 or 2 days. Any question regarding